Go.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Lucille Mingala. So I am at Magulang National High School. This is my workstation. So here I will be acting as having a visual impairment. So here I have with me my cane, and also while I'm using this cane, it should be that my forefinger should be pointed here. Then my feet should be backward. Then while I'm doing that, my cane should be at the left side. So from here at the principal's office, I will be passing the SNED room. Then I will be going to the comfort room for me to do some break. So right now, so I am using this blindfold for me to start my acting with visual impairment. So join me with this venture, okay? So now, I'm doing it like this. Okay, I need to cover my face. Then I'm already having my hand here and my forefinger pointing with the cane. Putting my right foot backward. Then I will be doing this. Okay, so.
Okay.
So I'm walking towards this path. So my goal is to pass the SNED room for me to go to the comfort room.
Okay, you're now in the SNED room.
Okay, thank you, Mom. So I need to check if there is something in my app. Yeah. So it's not easy. So we need to make sure that I will not fall down on these steps. So here we go. So I need to survive in order for me to reach the comfort room. So we have here some obstacles. So I need to walk carefully. Okay, so I need to hold this one. What is this? So this is a chair. So I need to put my feet backward, the right foot. Then I need to proceed.
Okay, I think we have 6 steps going to the CR of SNED.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Well, 1.
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
3.
Okay.
4. 5.
Okay.
And we have 6.
Okay, another 2 steps because we have a little bit smaller steps.
7. 8.
Okay, another steps, and then going, you have to face in the, what do you call that one? The
Right.
Right.
Okay. So it should be like this.
Yeah. Now you're going in the right track.
Okay. So
Yes.
it should be like this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You're almost. Okay, I think you will be having 10 steps going to the door of the SNED room.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, you're all.
Is
Yeah.
this the door?
Yes, is it? And try to find the doorknob.
Alright.
Sure. Yeah, you got it. Open the one. Okay, try to find the ball by using your cane. Get inside. Okay, that is, what do you call that one, Lucille?
This is our comfort room bowl.
Yeah. How about the pail? Try to find the pail. Yeah.
Okay.
You did it right. The faucet also.
Okay,
Very good.
This one. And also, so is this all? So now I can help myself. Then I can do doing something in the comfort room. So that's all for today. So I am now in the comfort room. So thankfully we've made it. Thank you, Mom Janet, for assisting. So it's never easy. So we are in the show of visually impaired individual, but thankfully that we try to act it like this, so we can surely understand them. So thank you so much, Doc, for teaching us in our subject. So we appreciate this. We become humble because of this experience in our class, and also we can study more for us to help other individuals with this kind of impairment. Thank you so much, Doc. Thank you, Ma'am Janet. Thank you.